Trilly fam, what going on, y'all? Another day, another video. Right now I'm on the way to Coop House. He me with some good news, you know what I'm saying? Now I've been telling him to get this for the last, since I done had this car, I ain't gonna lie. Finally, he finally joined the team, man. So he done announced some news to me. We going over there right now. Y'all finna see it the first time I'm seeing it, so it's finna be a good little vibe, man. I'm happy for my mans, dog, you know what I'm saying? About time, nigga. Getting all that other shit. All that other shit was cool. It was cool. But nigga, this the one. He got unlimited content. I told his ass, bro, I'm finna give him all my stuff for the phone so he can go crazy on the tube. Cause he got the right car now. Just now pulling up to that motherfucker, man. Fuck going, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You know what? SC on these niggas, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck you talking about? And that bit, and that, what? Poking. Fuck you talking about? Here's you saying, nigga?
You're right.
Ooh, it be hard. It be hard as fuck.
Don't look at the trunk, though.
Man, fuck that shit, bro. Give a fuck about, you know what this shit is, nigga? Don't give a fuck about that shit, nigga.
They will hit it, bitch.
Hell yeah, start that bitch up. Oh yeah. Nigga got it quick release in this bit.
That bitch shaky as hell.
It's still quick release. Wait. Shit. That big hard.
I'm telling you, too.
Oh, that big hard. Might would be a drift car. Smell good, man. No, that shit.
I don't know.
Probably got exhaust leak. It smell like exhaust leak. When you Z motherfucker.
On me. This shit right here leaking.
Nah, they be hard. Nigga, fine with Lexus. God damn.
I had to.
Been telling this nigga to go Lexus, bro.
SC400,
Had to go this shit, bro.
I ain't want no 2J, I ain't gonna lie. But that
You
bitch,
tripping.
that bitch the truth, though. I ain't gonna cap.
Nigga, the SC400 come with the right 2J. Oh God, no VVTI. That shit come with the right one. That's the one I want.
But they been over it. See this bitch? That bitch over. I got a.
Not really, nigga.
Hell no. It's a big ass hole right here.
Damn, your fans don't work?
I got a wireless fan.
So they be overheating if you drive it. SC, bro. Ain't these big ass spacers on it poking.
Nigga was driving this bitch up the hill. Nigga was straight. I'm like, bro.
Wait, you?
Nah, he was.
Your bit might have a welded diff, bro.
It might. Both tires.
Was it like,
off.
it was skipping?
I
When
ain't,
it-
damn, I ain't even get to see.
I told his ass, bro, if you ever think about selling this shit, bro, give this shit to me. Don't put this shit on Facebook Market, none of that, bro. Give me the shell. I'm taking the engine right out this bit. I ain't gonna lie. Putting a 2J, the right 2J in that bit. The ones that come in the SC300s.
Oh.
This straight too, but I'm putting a 2J in that motherfucker. I got to. Hell no. You just like V8s, bro. You don't want no fucking V6.
Twin, the way that shit gonna sound to it, when I got down do everything to it.
Nigga got passenger seat now. Last car you had, didn't have a passenger seat.
They ain't had no credit.
Fuck is that? I got nitrous buttons in this rig. Press that bit while you driving.
Put you down.
What is that?
Off on the headlights.
You putting it on the headlights. What, they supposed to unfog them? Wait. What the fuck? Hold on. Do that to the other one. What the fuck? Nah, that shit like
Ooh.
brown coming off. That shit working. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Telling you to it.
So you telling me I didn't have to get new headlights for that? Well, I wanted new headlights, but what the fuck? That shit dead ass just worked. I ain't gonna lie, this shit is trendy as hell with that bumper, bro. The black bumper, I don't lie. I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking with the black bumper. Alright, man, so you about to check for this. Oh, you got to turn the car off though. And then turn that bitch on when you get it plugged up. Not on, but like all the electrical type shit. That bitch detected quickly.
Damn.
You got 4? Hold on, we finna look the first one up. Let's see.
How much you say?
Hold on, scroll through it though. Let's see, it might be the same code. 1 for 1. Yeah, it's the same code and shit. Same 2 codes. So yeah, it is. It says indicates a problem with the oxygen sensor heater circuit in the vehicle's engine control module. O2 sensor issue.
O2s?
Yeah.
Ooh, I knew it. It sound like it too.
They need new O2. Let me go to the source and check them. You're gonna need a new engine. That shit.
Chill, bro. Chill, bro.
It's over. No, I'm bullshitting. It's shit the same.
Bro, I almost cried, twin.
I say the same thing.
Hold on, look every single one of these up just to make
That's
sure.
the same one. The next one finna be 135. Damn. I fuck with these tail lights. I know these tail lights new though.
This shit sexy as fuck.
Nigga, the motor lifting. That motor lifting in that bitch.
You hear this motherfucker? Doing it earlier, so we ain't had shit in it, bro. Let me drop the gear.
One nigga. What the fuck was that?
That bitch dropped the gear, son.
That shit just sounded crazy.
It be a king.
Look at my knees right now. Damn. Oh.
Just like that.
Hey, get on my ass, bitch!
Chill, man. This shit a movie, bitch.
Oh, we got some tenderloins out there, bitch. Oh, hey, mommy.
Damn, baby.
All right, relax, nigga. That's my bitch.
Chill.
Try to steal hoes and shit. Hey, can I get a swig?
Look at that.
I can get a drink. I'm fucking with you, bro. I know you go. Can I drink? I can drink some of yours, bro. Hey, let me get a swig, bro. Let me get a swig. I can drink. He won't let me drink some of his. I'm bullshitting with you. I'm fucking with you. That nigga taking it serious. I don't fuck with this man. That John swap? It's swap? I'm fucking with him. I know it ain't swap. I know it ain't swap. Right, that sound nice. The SRT motherfucker.
I got it right, though.
Nigga, it's on you. Nigga, just record everywhere.
What I'm too drunk for this today.
But as y'all see, man, we at the meet right now. We just went ahead and popped up at this bitch out of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? But we got a couple things out here, you know what I'm saying? Like we passed the 240. Whole bunch of Infinities and Dreamers. Hey bro, you gapping shit? You gapping shit? I ain't gonna lie, man. It's a little vibe out here right now. Look, she took, man. It's a little vibe out here right now. It's more pipe than I thought it would be. I ain't gonna lie.
Blow that bitch up, you say?
You just got that bitch too.
Yeah, you gonna blow that bitch up.
Okay, cool.
I went from I-35 stop.
Yeah, I'm about to say it's some shit. I don't know what kind of car this is. Should have invited Striker Steve out this bitch. Struck some shit. I might call his ass up. I don't know.
So they started to get cold.
Oh God, I love that shit though. It's boost season, but I don't got no boost. Car is not boosted in this boost season. You about to smack some shit. Y'all better move. I'll put you out on the camera.
Come out. Don't give him the video. Come on now.
Hey, mad as fuck.
Y'all in that bitch.
Fuck, like bitch. We in public, bitch. What you talking about?
You wanna be on that bitch so bad.
Oh God, fuck. You did that shit on purpose, bitch.
Scram ass bitch. Nigga freaky as hell.
How long, little twin? Oh, he chill.
My man. Don't fucking play with my car.
Don't play with him, bro.
Get the fuck away.
You chillin', bro. He chillin'. He chillin'.
Bro, this is punk. Dog. Are you police?
No. Twin, chill. He said, don't fuck with my car. I ain't gonna lie to him. I don't think. After I go GS, bro, I'm going truck. I don't want nothing else but no truck.
I'm trying to haul some shit.
Yo, what the fuck is she wearing? What the fuck is that? Alright, it's cosplaying right now. You wanna know what's crazy? That bitch was recording too. She recording and said, don't put me on camera. Look at that bitch wide as fuck. Nigga, he want that bitch to be a truck so bad. That bitch wide as fuck. He need a kid on that bitch. He got the wheels with no kid. Pushing that bitch. Oh, true. They trying to make him wreck that shit.
That bitch gonna be crushed.
You better not do nothing stupid. It's the juice killer. He boosting his head up.
My
bro.
life is over.
Hey, you got that shit on, twin. Your shit was hard as fuck. Look at his ass smiling. I know, bro. Look at this shit. Damn.
That be real striker.
Striker. You work at the dealership, twin. He took that bitch off of the night.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
That nigga going, that shit got in my eye.
Yo, man, crazy as hell getting that close next to me.
Nigga, that shit was not close. I ain't gonna lie, we too far away from the whip. My nigga running, what the fuck going on?
Oh my.
Nigga running, I'm running too. What the fuck going on? You going crazy. You going crazy. Hey, chill. Them niggas trying to smack some shit. Hell nah. His ass on. Go ahead, take it home, twin. G8. What you saying? What you telling me?
Turn that traction out, bitch!
What you telling me?
Hey, you talking about? I ain't gonna lie, this shit not against.
Bro, what is that nigga doing? He about to smack something.
Hold that bitch.
Put that motherfucker in reverse!
Turn social, what he doing? What bro doing? What the fuck? I thought that was a beam. That's a Q though.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
Nigga, that's an infinity. Nigga, not 12, not nowhere over here. Nigga, he on the board. He about to focus on. I ain't gonna lie, nigga, wigging out of this.
12 nowhere.
Oh, we out. Oh! Police! Oh!
You got the skeet over and everything. Let's go.
That was success.
On me.
Hard.
Hit that bitch! They gotta run. Run that shit!
Run that shit!
Run that shit! Damn, nigga! Damn! He got his shit flushed.
Lay up with a ride and night off. Spend the night and I'm fucking the lights off. Spray the drums out your car like some lights off.